another look of makeup and hairstyles, and today I'm doing Belle from Beauty and the Beast, and I got my yellow dress on that you'll see later, and I'm in a different setting. I'm in my bathroom, so I'm going to get started. So first you want to brush your hair, and I already brushed my hair. So now you take your hair up and like take it from your ears and go up like that and separate. I'm going to be using this clip because I'm going to be curling it with my curling wand. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm curling my hair now, and now we're going to put it up into the half bun, just like Belle has it. Sorry, Beaver is stomping. My brother runs upstairs all the time. So I'm gonna get my rubber band and tie it. Three times. And go like this. So now you take your bobby pins and you basically make it look like it's a bun up there by pulling some of this stuff down and pin it. Okay, and that's the look, guys. So now I'm gonna get on to my makeup look and I'll see you in a minute, guys. Hi guys, I'm back. And I did my hair, which will be in the video. And today's look is the Belle look from Beauty and the Beast. So let's get started on that right now. And well, I looked at between the cartoon anime version of Belle and the live action version of Belle, and I decided to go between like a goldish, makeup look. So let's get started right now. So we're gonna do my face makeup first, and then I'm gonna do my eyes, and I'm gonna tell you, what to do on the eyes, okay? So let's get started. Okay guys, so now we're going to do the gold look. And yes. So cover your eye with a nude look. And then go in with like this gold. Like I have two golds, which is this is a yellowish gold and this is actual gold. So go with a yellow gold onto your middle part of your eye. Like this. You might even want, to put it on your finger. get it really onto your finger like so, and go and put it on. Like so. And then you want to go in with a darker shade of gold. Take some brown that's a little bit gold too. It has like gold specks in it, so like a light brown with gold in it. And I want you to shake off the excess of them and then go in on the corner of your eye. So like that. You can keep blending in. So you basically want to create like a smoky eye kind of look with a lot of like brown shades. So take a little brown on your brush and just go on the crease like right here and on the edge. Like so. And then now you take your gold color again and take some on my finger like that and go on to the middle part like that. And blend that. And now take the lightest shade of your gold and go on the inner eye. And now you take your fine little brush right here, and you take some gold and go on the under part of your eye. And you take some of that brownish gold and go on the edge of this. And got some in my eye, sorry. Okay. And then you take some eyeliner and you basically do your wing, whatever, how you do it, I don't know. Now, I'm gonna do my other eye and I'll come back in a minute, guys. Okay, I'm back, guys. I got this look done. And we're going to now go into some highlight. Okay, so after that, now we're going to put some lipstick on. So today I'm gonna wear pink. Actually, I'm gonna put on lip liner first, so it won't, you know. Okay guys, I hope you liked this look, and if you did, please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye!